Welcome back to 24 Days of Keycaps. It's day 12 and I sculpted Judy Hobbs from Zootopia yesterday, so I naturally gotta attempt Nick Wilde as well. I think the multicolored keycap basis process is coming a lot smoother for me now, and I don't feel as nervous when I cut into the bases anymore. Overall, it's very similar processes to what I did when I sculpted Judy. I cut out the shape of his shirt and used that as a guide to create his actual shirt with green clay. I wanted to capture Nick's sneaky looks, so I gave him eyelids with this one, and it turned out so cute. To accentuate his expression, I sculpted raised eyebrows for him. And lastly, I gotta add the collars and tie. And I also painted some stripes to complete his look. And that's him completed. Follow me for more keycap process content.